Women in Texas have fewer rights than their mothers or even their grandmothers. And we're on this call today because what's happening in Texas right now is a tragedy.
Lawmakers serving the state of Texas spoke ahead of the 51st anniversary of Roe v. Wade, which the Supreme Court overturned in 2022.
SB 8 that went into effect the year before Dobbs has made access to reproductive health care in Texas nearly impossible to find in vast parts of the state. And so women in Texas began traveling to other states to get the health care that they need.
Concerns about interstate travel and future limiting legislation were also brought up after a Texas woman, Kate Cox, traveled to New Mexico for an abortion. She had no choice to leave the state after the Texas Supreme Court ruled she did not qualify for the procedure here, despite medical complications identified by doctors.
Her bravery and her family's bravery was remarkable, and her story was absolutely heartbreaking. And let's be clear, Kate's tragedy was not the first of its kind, nor will it be the last.
Amy O'Donnell with the Texas Alliance for Life says they do not believe they can ban interstate travel. She also says there's a lot of misinformation about medical exceptions they're working to combat.
Just really pointing to the fact that there is no constitutional right to abortion, that babies with disability diagnoses or potentially life-limiting or fatal diagnoses are as worthy of protection as any other children, and that our laws are clear.
Texas Democratic Party Chair Gilberto Hinojosa spoke with CBS Austin today. His reflection on the anniversary of the now overturned Roe decision includes looking towards the upcoming elections.
It is a very consequential year for us today. And it's also a time for us to remind people who has been at the forefront of protecting their rights and who is adamant about denying that right.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.